Hi everyone, Archana here. As I mentioned in my last video regarding Mother's Day kit, I have already posted. We are going to decorate our album cover page. So this is 6 by 8 album. So what I did, I just got the piece for our cover page. So I have one of the chipboard piece. I just wanted to raise this up little bit, and it's in white color, but if you want you can use any cardstock. If you have chipboard piece you can use that one too. So I just wanted to raise it little bit, and then the cutout from the collection paper, designer paper, this is the part I wanted to use. So the back side of this one is damask. So this other part we are going to use for inside pages. So let's get started. I am going to show you just the cover, the way I am going to decor. So first of all, stick this down on the chipboard, and this decorative piece I am going to stick at very end on my album. Once I decorate inside pages, I will just stick this part on top of the album. If I stick it right now, this top decoration might get ruined while I am opening my album, closing all the time for my other pages. So that's the thing I wanted to avoid. And then I have some of the decoration embellishments here. As you can see, I have so many die cuts right here, some leaves and some other miscellaneous dies, and most of them are AG art dies which I have listed in my store. And also I have this beautiful macrame die. You can see it's Elizabeth die. I am in love with her, all the dies, and this size is so perfect for any pages. Like, it's not too small, it's not too big, so it's good. So this one I'm going to use on here. Then I have this frame which is already included in your kit. Then I have some flowers here which are from the kit. Then I have fussy cut all the butterflies which from the kit. Then I fussy cut this page which is from the kit as well. So these ones, and then some of the leaves I fussy cut from the page. Then I do have some embossing powder here, Versamark ink, some stickers, and some of the laces from my stash. So let's start decorating. So first of all, before everything, I have to emboss this page, so let's do it. Very pretty, right? Alright, so let's see how we are going to decorate our